Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to share how to make these beautiful flower pots using old clothes. First I saw how to make these in TikTok and I tried making these couple of times, but that didn't work out. They broke after drying or didn't become as strong as pots should be. Then I saw many videos to figure out why mine is not working, but I couldn't find any good video where they explain everything in detail. So I just tried some my own ideas, and in some I succeeded and in some I failed, but finally I was able to figure out the best way to make these, and today I'm going to share that with you guys. And if you are interested, then please watch this video till the end and do not skip any part, because every part of this video is important if you want to achieve a good and strong flower pot. So first we need some old clothes. Here I'm taking an old jeans and cutting that into pieces. The first important thing is to choose the material type. We should always choose thick and non-stretchable clothes like jeans, cotton pants, towels. Do not use any stretchable clothes or else it's going to ruin everything. Then I'm dipping the clothes into the water to soak and squeezing off the excess water. And why I'm doing this is because if the clothes are too dry, the mixture of the cement is not going to stick into the clothes properly. Next I'm taking 30% sand and 70% cement and making a liquid mixture. And do not make the mixture too thin or else it's going to be too runny. Now I'm taking some containers like these, and you can take any size of container or bucket according to how big you want your pot to be. But if you take big container, then the clothes also should be big. Then I'm covering the container with a plastic bag so the pots will not stick and will come out easily. Next I'm dipping the clothes into the mixture and placing that on the container. And now I'm making drifts like as shown in the video. Then I'm leaving the pots to dry for 24 hours. After 24 hours, we should add water to the pots at least 2 times a day for 1 or 2 days. And by doing this, it will make the pots stronger. And after 3 days, I'm removing the container and the plastic. As you can see, inside of the pots are not as good and as strong as the outside. So what we have to do is again make the same cement and sand mixture, but this time little bit thinner, and then we have to coat inside of the pot. And if you want to, you also can coat outside as well. Then I'm letting it dry for one more day. Next, you can paint your pots in your desirable color. I like white, so I painted all of my pots in white. So guys, I hope this video will definitely going to help you, and if you really like this video, then please do not forget to like this video, and if you are not a subscriber yet, then please do subscribe to my channel. Alright guys, I hope you have a good time. Bye, take care.